Assuming that you already know how to calibrate Z-Start in our machine, I will show you what the specialty to calibrate Z-Start on a 3D printing on fabric printer. As you know, each fabric has different thickness. So each time that our customer or you want to print a different kind of fabric, you have to calibrate Z-Start again. So let's start with the white cotton denim fabric as a simple case. As I already mentioned, that Z-Start calibration is actually very important to achieve the good quality result the printing on fabric. In order to do that, you have to first move the tray gently to understand actually where the tray are. So it's already I feel the tray it's too high, so I need to take it down a bit, because we found that the tray is actually located on a too high position. I will put it down 300 steps and check it again. So I gently taking the block over the fabric, and the first thing I see that the roller it's not moving at all. It means it's not touching a fabric. So here you have a distance between the roller, which is the lowest position on the block, and the fabric. So I take a transparency, double transparency as you see, and checking the distance between. I feel that the distance it's too tight because I cannot insert the transparency, double transparency in a space between the roller and the fabric. I will push it a little bit. You can see the roller actually moving. It's not good. You have to be sure that the distance is actually right. It means that you can insert the double transparency easily, but not too easily between the roller and the fabric. So I will take the tray down another 100 steps. And now check it again. So it's very close, but not too close. So in this case, I have to optimize it between 100 steps. So I will take the tray up another 20 steps. Now I can feel when I inserting the double transparency in the space between the fabric and the roller, I can feel the distance. So currently it's the proper distance. We just calibrated the Z-Start on a very simple case, very flat denim white fabric. But in some of the cases, you should be aware that actually some of the points over the frame could be another points to check that Z calibration, because maybe they were highest points at the tray. So if you're not sure, you can do it actually at this area and this area, this area, or any another area that actually needs for this specific fabric. One of the important things is actually that you have to take into account the differences between different kinds of fabrics. For example, flat denim fabric that we already calibrated Z-Start on, very simple because it's hard. This kind of fabrics that has texture will feel differently when you're trying to put double transparency in a space between the roller and the fabric, so you should be aware. This kind of fabric that feel like sponge, so you're feeling when you're inserting the transparency in the space between the roller and the fabric will feel differently. You should take it in account, and especially when you're using a leather or wool kind of substance. You can see here a teeny fibers on it, so you should be aware and you should take it in account when you calibrate the Z star. If you're not sure, place more, it's better than less.